What's up, guys? I'm trying to mount this E36 LTW wing, and I just want to show you a little trick I saw somebody else do. They use toothpaste, put it on the holes to get it lined up, and then kind of just press down. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to see. I'm going to try it real quick. Okay, so we got tape here and over here. And basically what you're going to do is put toothpaste only on the bolt holes, and then when you get everything kind of lined up, press it down, and when you press down, the toothpaste will get on the tape, and then you can drill your holes. So let's see. Okay, you got one. Oops, got toothpaste everywhere. See that? That's pretty cool. That ought to work right there. This is kind of ghetto, not gonna lie. Okay, put your toothpaste away. Let's see if this works. This would be pretty cool if it does. Okay, it kind of worked. Kind of worked, as you can see here. I think a smaller amount would probably be better because that's about what size drill bit we're going to be using. We're definitely not going to be using a drill bit that big, but I'll probably go in the center there. This one you can see. So I kind of forgot to film this part, but basically I just took this centering punch right here, went in the center, tapped it. Now I'm going to take this off. You could probably just leave these on, but I don't know. I've already got mine off, and I obviously need to repaint the whole car, so that's why I'm doing this now. Now we drill a hole. So after you got your holes drilled, kind of hate to do this, but I think a lot of people put like a hole right here or right here somewhere. Honestly, I'm not 100% sure. I think they go like right there. Then for this one, I guess you just go all the way through. What in the world? Huh. I guess hole right here and hole right here. I guess we can take these out. Don't really need them. Also, another thing, I think a lot of people use like a 1-inch hole saw right here. I'm gonna try to use, wherever I put them at, these, see how it goes. Just kind of make it as neat as I can. So I don't have a 1-inch hole saw. Okay, that came out okay. Looks a little funky, but all of them do that I've ever seen. Just be careful when you're putting the bolt through there. Don't drop it in there, or you'll have to take this off and fish for the bolt. Okay. Do the other side now. So what I'm running into now is this bolt. Basically, this bolt, see that? It's not gonna go down in there. And when it does, even if I could put it in there, it's gonna be hitting this part right here because it's so close. So I think what I'm gonna do is shave this part down right here. See what happens. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and bolt it up. Basically get all the burrs off the top and bolt it up for now. Obviously the whole car's gotta be painted. So whenever I do that, I'll just get this painted too. I'll probably take this off, paint it. It'll be cleaner. It's been about a week now since I put the wing on, and I just want to do a little update. So here's what it looks like installed. Obviously it's not painted yet, so it kind of looks a little weird, but all in all, I mean, and my front bumper, I went in the ditch the other day, so it kind of got messed up. So if you look right here, you'll see a hole in it, and here too. Basically what happened, I was going too fast and it went, and it kind of looked like a V from all the downforce, and it kind of blew out, and there's holes there now. So I got another top piece on the way. I'm going to replace that. If you go more than 120 miles an hour with this wing, make sure you put foam in it, drill like holes. I think you drill holes like in the side here and in the side here, and fill it with foam. And yeah,